Hi guys, I'm Maria.
Hi, I'm Ellen. Welcome to our channel.
Today's crafts are so adorable and each one is under $5 to make because we got the supplies from the Dollar Tree, of course.
They're so cute and they go so well together. And the vintage farmhouse rustic look is really a keeper.
Yes, it is. So let's get started and show them how we get it done.
Okay, this Christmas Carol shadow box is so easy to put together, and the backing came off surprisingly easy too. Unfortunately, the letters from the inside were not as easy. Usually you can take them off with nail polish remover, but we had to scrape them instead. And so hopefully you have a little bit easier time. And next here, went ahead and made a template for the letters, and these are rub-on letters you can get from the Dollar Tree, and it just it makes it really easy to be able to put whatever you like on the front of your box.
They're fun to use.
They're so cute too. And you just rub those on and put on there whatever you want to say. And for this particular one, "Oh, Come Let Us Adore Him" was chosen, and is very fitting for this time of year.
Yes, it is.
Looks so good. So for the inside of this box, stock paper was used, and this is kind of old-time music note paper, and that follows along the same lines as the vintage theme. You'll go ahead and measure it out, cut it, and then glue it to the backing, and that's going to be the inside of the box. It really gives you that nostalgic feeling, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
And then you'll use some fairy lights, and this is a battery-packed one. You want to make sure that they work. Of course, you turn them on just like all Christmas lights when you want to go ahead and make sure they work first. With this, you'll line the inside and then glue each of the corners to make sure it stays, and you'll wrap them all the way around. And voila!
Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, go ahead, it's free. And give us a like and, a thumbs up, and it tells YouTube to share this video so everyone can enjoy it. And share it with your friends too.
We really appreciate all of your support. The last step we don't want to forget is to go ahead and make sure the battery pack is secure, and use your hot glue and then glue it on the back. And make sure that you glue it so that you can turn it on and off, and then also replace the batteries when they're needed.
You're never going to let me forget that, are you, Elle?
No, that's okay. It happens to everyone. And there you go. It's so cute.
It's super cute.
It really gives you that holiday feeling, doesn't it?
Yes, it does. So the next craft is Sleigh Bells. I saw this at JoAnn's. Didn't really like the look of it, but I liked the saying of it. So I went and got a canvas from the Dollar Tree, and you just cut off the excess canvas. And if the scissors don't work, just get an X-Acto knife. It's fairly easy. Now I chose a canvas because I wanted a frame that was going to have a lot of depth to it. And using these Jenga blocks, because we know I love my Jenga blocks. Yeah, you just measure them out before you glue them on, and make sure you have the right settings or the right amount and everything like that. Now, word of advice to you guys, I would do the frame first before you put anything inside. You'll see that I had to go in and fix some things, but I highly recommend doing the frame first. So I wanted to put a mat around, and the paper that I chose, it's white, but it has little bumps on it, so it gives it that snowy effect. Gives it a lot of depth.
It looks really sparkly. I like that.
I do too. I like sparkles for Christmas.
I do. It's really, really festive. Glue, glue, glue. It looks so good. You know what? Creating your own mat, it gives it so much depth.
Right.
I like that.
But there's so many uses for a canvas. You could just, take the canvas off and just use the frame, and my dog is barking. And, yeah. And you'll notice that you don't have to take the staples off. So when you're gluing the Jenga blocks on, they're not all even, but it gives it a real rustic look, which I thought was cool. So using the glue, the wood glue and the glue gun, it's going to last. I got the nutmeg and went around. I tried a stain, but it wasn't giving me the real dark wood that I was looking for. And then you'll see here that I had to go in and fix up the white. Like I said, I would highly recommend doing the frame first. Then going in with the burnt auburn. Gives it that real rustic look. And what I loved about it was when you painted over the canvas on the side, it gave it the illusion of wood. So I thought that was awesome. And the bells were a little bit too bright for me because I was going for this vintage look. That I just went over it a little bit with the burnt auburn and umber, or whatever it's called.
Umber, yeah.
Yeah. And
I like auburn.
It gave it more of an older look.
A little more rusty metal. That looks good.
They do. And then going over it a little bit with the white gives it that snowy, aged look. It came out exactly the way I wanted it to. It's adorable.
It really is.
And then just tie some jute twine on, and then tie them together and put a bow on. Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? I just thought it was adorable.
I think it is. It's really, really cute. It's a simple concept.
It makes a statement.
It does make a statement.
Well, I love using the Jenga blocks because there's so many different things that you can make with them. And instead of going out and spending a lot of money for a deep frame, just make your own. It's a heck of a lot cheaper.
Yeah.
We like cheap.
Or inexpensive.
But yet look elegant.
Yes.
Yes, thank you. These snowflakes I had purchased at the Dollar Tree. And I thought it would be a real cute touch on all four corners because they're shiny like the paper in the middle.
They're so cute.
And then I thought it needed just a little bit more touch, so we brought our mom into it. Our mom used to love with sewing.
She did.
With pearls and stuff like that.
Yeah, Mom would just love this.
Yeah.
It does. It adds a real prettiness to this craft, is adding the little pearls.
Yeah, I thought so.
That with the shiny paper, the glittery paper, and it's just sparkles. But not too much. It's really nice.
Yeah. So there you go. Sleigh Bells Ring, Are You Listening? I think it's adorable.
It looks so good.
I think they both came out super cute.
It's so cute.
So thanks so much for watching, you guys.
Thank you so much, and we wish you all a very Merry Christmas, and we're so happy you joined us today.
Till next time.
Bye.